welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see here, I have on a wig cap, meaning today's video is going to be an unboxing video on a wig from Klaiyi Hair. If you guys didn't know, Klaiyi Hair is my favorite hair vendor of all time. Their quality of hair is amazing and it's like really easy to install as well. I'm not a girl that is good with hair. I'm good with makeup, but when it comes to hair and applying wigs and all that, I'm just not the best. But Klaiyi Hair makes it super easy to do. But no further ado, as you guys can see from the title, today's video I'm going to be unboxing a headband wig from Klaiyi Hair. And headband wigs have been blowing up recently, and to be honest, I'm so excited to see what it's like. So I'm going to be showing you guys that. And then also I ordered some cute headbands from Shein or Shein. I don't know how to pronounce the name. I don't know, but you guys know the website. So if you guys are interested in seeing what this hair looks like and what headbands I got for it, then keep on watching. So when you open up the box, it's just a really cute box, by the way. It's like pink and it gives you instructions of how you can put your wig on. And then when you open it up, it's super duper cute. Oh my gosh, it has the wig in there. It has it in a really nice plastic little container, not really container, but like a bag, I guess you could say. And ooh, also it has some headbands in there, and it also has a wig cap in there. So the two headbands, I'm just going to show you guys the headbands first because it's quick. They give you a really cute like leopard print headband, and they also give you a colorful like floral headband, which is super duper tropical and cute. And then it also has the wig cap, like I said. But no further ado, you guys are waiting for the hair that I got. If you are wondering what type of hair I got the Klaiyi Youth Series hair. I'm going to read you guys exactly what the name is so you guys know. It is the Klaiyi Youth Series Water Wave Headband Wig with pre-attached scarf. And the density of this is 150% density. And I got it in the length of 22 inches. And this is just what it looks like. It comes with the fishnet on it so you can protect it. But this is just so cute. Look at it. It's like so nice quality. I love water wave hair. And the quality of this is so nice. It's so soft. And as you can see, it has some clips in the front. It has a clip in the front. It has a clip on both of the sides and the back. And then also, just for the headband part, it has a black elastic headband. And the headband is adjustable to your likings. So as you can see, this is what the hair looks like. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with it. I just feel like this hair is so pretty. And this is what it looks like. Like I said, I got the length of 22 inches, and I think it is the perfect length. As you can see, it's super duper flowy and soft, and the quality of it is so nice. There's like not even any shedding. I'm like literally pulling on it right now. I absolutely love it. Imagine how it would look when you actually like do your edges and you put some product in it. I absolutely love the curls. The curls are like so perfect. I am going to put some water in it just for you guys to see what it looks like when it's wet. Right now I do have it dry, and I don't have any product in it because I don't want any products to build up in it before I actually get to wear it out. But this is just what it looks like without any product, and I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like with some water in it. So this is what the hair looks like with a little bit of water in it. I didn't really go too crazy, but I did wet it a little bit just so you guys can see what the hair looks like and what the pattern of curls look like when it's a little bit wet. I absolutely love it. Now I'm going to be showing you guys what headbands I got from Shein, and we can kind of try them on and test them out and see what they look like with this wig. So no further ado, this is what the package looks like from Shein. And I haven't even opened this yet, so I'm super duper excited to see what these headbands look like. So the first headband that I got is this really beautiful chunky headband, and it's just silver and black. You guys are, I'm sure you guys are familiar with this type of style that's going around, like the chunky headbands are so in. This one is so pretty. It's just silver and black, and I am going to try it on for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like. This one is so pretty. It's like really like gaudy looking, which is what I am totally loving right now. I just love like the chunky headband look, and I just think it looks so nice with this type of style. So if you guys don't want to wear like your regular headband wig and you want to purchase some headbands, then you can definitely just put them right on top of the headband look that you have on your wig, and it will be perfect. So the next headband that I got is actually a set of two. And this one, let's see what it looks like. I think they're just like cotton headbands. So the next two that I got are actually a set of two, and this one is just a type of black, white and gray snakeskin headband, and it kind of has like a wrap in the front, which is so adorable and cute. And then this one is a plain black one with the same type of bow in the front. The next headband that I got is another one of the chunky headbands. This one is just pink and white, and this one is so feminine and pretty. I absolutely love what it looks like. It's so like girly and kind of like giving me princess vibes, so I absolutely love this one. And I will try this one on for you guys to see. And I'm sure it just looks really similar to the black one, but this one is so pretty. Imagine doing like a really cute like pink eye look with this. I also got a pack of 4 or 5 headbands in just different colors. This one I believe just has, it's pretty plain to be honest. So yeah, like I said, this pack of headbands are pretty plain. They just have an elastic back, and it has like a little bow detailing in the front, kind of similar to the other ones that I got. But the material of these are more like a silky material. So I got it in a yellow color. I got it in pink, just super duper cute. I got it in a plain black. I got it in this really pretty Christmas emerald green. And then I also got it in red. And I think these will go a lot to wear with different types of outfits for kind of like plain or simple looks, so those will be really cute for that. The next headband that I got is actually one of my favorites, and it just looks like this. It's kind of like a really nice like cotton or wool type of material, and it just looks like that. It has a bow and it has some little pearls on it, which I think this is so cute for the winter time. It will definitely keep your head warm, and it kind of gives me like a scarf type of material vibe, but it's so stretchy and warm. The next headband is this really pretty, like very smooth and soft snakeskin headband. This one is just black, brown, and camel, and it just has a really cute bow in the front. Most of these styles do have a bow, and I think it's so cute to wear like on top of your head for when you're wearing a headband wig. I got 2 of these really pretty warm headbands as well. These are also great to wear in the winter time, but this one is just a cream one, and it has 2 buttons on the back. I think these are so adorable. I just think they're so cute. And I also got this kind of camel tan looking color, and it just has 2 buttons in the back and 1 bow in the front. I also got another one of the chunky headbands. Of course, you guys can see that I love this style. I'm going to have to get these in all the colors because I'm obsessed with each of the ones that I've got. But this one is just white, and it has silver detailing on it, like silver jewels. I got 2 of these pretty plain headbands. One is like a heather gray with a bow, and then I got another one which is just black with a bow. And I also got the same thing in just 2 different colors. This one is a really nice tan color, and then also a blush pink. So that was all of the headbands that I got from Shein, I don't know how to pronounce it. And I also got this hair from Klaiyi hair. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys want to comment below what type of hair have you ever tried, like what other brands of hair like companies that you've tried, then let me know down below, because I'm always on the lookout for like different hair places to buy hair. For right now, I love Klaiyi hair. It's my favorite brand of hair products and hair quality, like hair wigs and I can't think right now. Wow. Wigs and
3 hours later.
weaves. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I can't think right now. I think I'm too excited, guys. But no further ado, if you enjoyed, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.